box came from the Rebel Wilson Angels collection. If you haven't heard of it, you're going to be really excited to see what's in here. I learned about this line of clothing about, that wasn't a year ago, but almost a year ago when Rebel's line launched at Nordstrom. And they did a really cool press event here in Seattle where I actually got to meet Rebel freaking Wilson, like for real. It was amazing. She is one of the nicest people I've ever met in my life, and it made me really excited about the collection. I liked it when I saw it, but when I got to meet Rebel and kind of like learn about her inspiration behind the collection and what pieces she liked and stuff, it just made me like extra pumped about it. So I got a couple of pieces from her press team that I wore over the last couple of months, and I really enjoyed them, and they were super sweet and sent me another package for the holidays. So let's get started. Let's dig in. I'm going to unbox those, and then I'm going to try them on so that you guys see what they actually look like on. All right, full stack Rebel goodies. So this note says, "Hi Siley, happy holidays from Rebel Wilson for Angels. We hope you sparkle and shine all holiday long and the latest from the collection. Enjoy." Now, I am a bad blogger, YouTuber now, and I didn't get a chance to get to this box before the holidays. I got it last week, and things have been cray-cray. So, get into it now. Let's open it up. All right. Kind of nervous about the clothes inside. As some of you guys may know, I started the keto diet about 5 weeks ago, and I have lost 12 pounds in that time period already. So my sizes are changing pretty quickly. So always kind of worried to know if it's going to fit or not, especially if it's something I really like. So I'm going to start off by showing you a peek of what's inside. Then I'll actually do some try-ons so that you can see it. So in here we have a V-neck, and then this is like navy and black stripes. So this is a V-neck top. It's a knit top, and it has the peekaboo shoulders, which is really cute. All right, next piece is a red piece, and this is a red t-shirt. You guys, red is an amazing color for winter, so stoked to have this because I don't have enough red pieces. Like, I actually looked through my closet and I realized that like I need to quit with my obsession with black clothing. I will always love black clothing, but as someone that loves color, I need to start like embracing it more into my wardrobe. So this will be a fun way to do that. This shirt is really, really soft, and it's a 1X, which is perfect because I think it will fit now. So the next one is this blouse top. This top has a, let's see this sleeve where it's at. So this has a nice like flounce sleeve, which is still trending a lot. It's black and white, so I guess it gives me a little bit of color, but still letting me wear a little bit of my obsession with black. I like this one because it has a zipper detail in the back. I don't know if you can see that. So that zipper detail is really nice because it just gives it an accent of style. All right, let's get on to the next piece. Let me open these up. All right, they're speaking to my soul now. It's black. I love black. And it is a dress. Oh my god. It's a cute little black dress. Flounce sleeve as well. And then it has the zipper detail in the back. I am all about these zipper details. Like, if we went on a tour right now through my closet, you will see that so many of my pieces have detailed zippers in the back. I don't know why. I just love them. It's just my thing. So, excited to try this one on. The next one is printed, and you know, for someone that loves color and prints, sometimes I can be a little like nervous about prints. This is a really different print, but I am liking it. So it is another dress with a zipper detail in the back, This one has like a blouse cuff here at the bottom. Then the bottom of the dress has this fun, check that out, like a nice little ruffle to it. And then it ties in the back. I'm really excited to try these on for you guys so that you can see what they look like on. And I got one more piece. Bye. All right. What's in here? This looks like denim. Okay. So, this is actually exciting. This is the Rebel Wilson Pinup crop jean in black. Now, let me rewind a little bit. This is my second press box that I've gotten from Rebel's team. And in the first box, I got 2 pairs of jeans. The first pair was a black pair of denim. And I have to say, in terms of plus size denim, Rebel's denim jeans are like some of my favorite. They're really soft, they have stretch, but they don't lose their shape, which is something that I really like. I also like that they kind of hold you in a bit, like it, and I kind of like that, you know, kind of you up a bit. So, but not to like a way where like you look like sausaged encased. Like it's like a nice, like smooth, firming, but not overdone. So. These black denim jeans are really similar to the style that I have, except these details. These details are amazing. It has like pearl and stone embellishments, which as you guys know, that's been trending. You know what else has been trending? Frayed hems. And it has the frayed hem. This is like my second pair of frayed hem jeans, so I am stoked. This package is amazing, okay? I cannot wait to try this on. Yes, it's so pretty. All right. And on to the last but not least piece, another pair of denim jeans. Let's see what these are. So these are, looks like they're ankle length, which I love ankle length jeans, but check out this detail. It's like this racing stripe in silver, which is really fun. Then it's also got distressing. And if you can see, like you can see the stretch that they have. They just fit your body really nicely. I would actually say, like, if you're buying Rebel jeans, size down one size because they end up stretching a little bit, and because they just kind of fit with your body, I noticed that like if I go true to size, you might end up like overstretching them out within a couple of months. So if you want them to last you, just size down one size and they will grow with you. So yeah, they will grow with you. That sounds kind of weird, but anyways, let's get to trying these guys on now.